Good morning, passengers. Welcome to East Midlands Parkway, next to the power station. The sun is just coming up. Where is it? It's just gone 7 in the morning. Let's get a train down to London today. Cue the intro. So yeah, as I said, we're at the power station, East Midlands Parkway. Not even got to the station yet and there's a train leaving, so I thought I'd just show you this one. There it goes. So yeah, this is where the Nottingham and the Derby lines join up, and then yeah, go into East Midlands Parkway and then straight down to London via Leicester. So yeah, we're taking a train from Lincoln. Well, the train that we're getting on has come from Lincoln. It's currently just arriving at Nottingham. So yeah, we're going to be going to Leicester, Market Harborough. I think there might be another one, but yeah, I can't remember. It's too early. I haven't had my cup of tea yet. But yeah, let's get into the station and see if there's any other trains that come through. I think there's a fast one that comes through in a bit, so we better be quick. Get on the platform, make sure we get there for that. Temperature has certainly dropped. It's quite cold this morning. But yeah, this is the waiting room. It's nice and warm in here. We got to go on to platform 2, which is the other side. So you know what? Might just wait here for a little bit. As we said, 7:26 is our train to St Pancras. So that's page 2, page 3. So yeah, 7:23 it arrives on platform 2. So yeah, that'd be fun. So this train coming in to platform 3 is the Leicester to Lincoln Central. You see it's in the old East Midlands trains, stagecoach colours, livery. 158 there. Four coaches? I can't count 4. They said it was formed of 4 coaches. I can only count 2. Oh well, that's going to be a packed train if it is full. It's a bit far away. I thought it would at least come up to here. Anyway, right, let's stop this, and then when it leaves, we'll have a look at it, watch it go. Literally, put my phone down, and then it goes. One, 2. Where's the 3rd and 4th carriage? This train is formed of 4 carriages. For certain stations, please alight from the front 2 carriages. Well, you don't need to, because there is only 2 carriages. Look at that, the sun's coming up. When I got up this morning, it was pitch black. When I left home, it was pitch black. And now the sun is rising. Just getting there. Also went past, well, from the A50, went past East Midlands Airport, so saw a few planes take off, going towards the sunny destinations. But yeah, what we'll do is in a minute we'll venture over to platform 2, which is this one, which is what we're going to. I don't think there's any other trains that are going to be flying through. I'll check though, and then yeah, we'll venture over there in a sec. seat reservations aren't on this train. Typical. But yeah, we're calling at Leicester, Market Harbour and Kettering. And then yeah, we'll be heading our way to London St Pancras. Arriving into Leicester Station. It was nice, well, we're the wrong side, but some gorgeous 47s on the other side, as you know. So it was nice to see them. It's a shame we're on a Meridian. I thought it'd be on an Adelante or something, but yeah, no sign of the T-trolley yet. I came in on another carriage, on another car, but sometimes it comes on at Leicester, so really need my cup of tea right now. But whilst we're talking about that, what is your drink of choice watching this video? Leave a comment down below.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to passengers recently boarding the train. 7:43 departure from Leicester, East Midlands Railway service for London St Pancras. Service calls next at Market Harbour, then Kettering. Service arriving at London St Pancras at 8:57. First class accommodation at the rear of the train, coach G, rear portion of D, standing class to the middle of the front. Please be reminded this is the non-smoking service. Please do not smoke anywhere on board the train. Safety posters found adjacent to exit doors. Please keep with your full time to your personal items and luggage. If you do notice anything suspicious, please report it immediately to a member of staff or to the police. This is your train manager Laura speaking. If you do have any questions or queries en route, please do not hesitate to contact any member of the on-train team. 7:43 departure from Leicester service is for London St Pancras, calling next at Market Harbour. Arriving there at 7:56.
Funny, with the announcement at the station, they said that first class accommodation is at the front of the train, not the rear of the train. They get it wrong a lot today. Just leaving Market Harbour. There's Market Harbour there. See you next stop, Kettering. Oh, there's Wi-Fi there. Nice old station. Station building there. Yeah, the reason why I went from East Midlands Parkway today is because it was just a cheaper journey. The parking was cheaper. I drove, yeah, it was half an hour. But overall, it was a cheaper journey to go from East Midlands Parkway, so that's kind of why I did it instead of going from Derby or Belper. Because yeah, Derby is quite expensive for their parking. So yeah, that's why we went East Midlands. But yeah, a lot of people complaining about the seat reservation. Because yeah, the thing is that you've got to choose. You've got to sit in your seat, but if there's other people sitting there, it's not fair. So yeah, EMR, just make sure that these seat reservations are in, because you're trying to get people to sit in those seats, but you're not activating it in the trains, and it just means nothing. So we've got the overhead wires now, the overhead power, but yeah, we're not on an Aurora, so not yet. So yeah, pantograph is not available on this train. Excuse me. Still no drinks trolley going through. I don't think there is one. Thing is it was going to cost 20 quid extra to go first class down. I know they would have given you a bacon roll and a cup of tea, but it is a bit pricey. Right, next stop, London St Pancras International. So yeah, it's very rare, you know, we stop at these stations. Usually, you know, it's Loughborough, Leicester, and then London St Pancras, but yeah, never mind. Playing a bit of golf down there. it's kind of like the thing that we do, don't we? We always like try and spot it. I always do it too late. I see it and then record, and it's like, nope, you're not gonna see it, guys. Yeah, it's over there now. There it is. Staples Corner, but no longer have Staples here. I think it will always be known as that. Okay, so coming into London St Pancras International. We're on the wrong side of the track, or the wrong side of the train as usual. Never mind. I'll let you know there's nothing there. No Eurostar, no Southeastern. Yeah, no Javelin coming out.
Ladies and gentlemen, now the final approach to London St Pancras, where this service terminates.
We never had a boom boom boom.
Today, hope you've had a
Yeah, I can't hear you. Yep, look.
First our final call.
Any DTG? No DTG graffiti there. Oh, there is a Eastern Javelin going, but there's too many people next to me, you know, opposite, so I can't show it. Yeah, here we are, London. So yeah, we're going to the centre of London, so I'll probably say my goodbyes when we're in the centre of London, I think, just so you can have a look and see, you know, where we kind of end up. But yeah, it would have been nice to have been on a Meridian. So the journey back on the next episode will be a train journey back to East Midlands Parkway, and that does go to Nottingham. So it could be an Adelante, or it could be a Meridian. I don't know. Did I just say it should have been a Meridian? Anyway, this is a Meridian, and I'd like to go on an Adelante. So yeah, let's get off this train. So we're in London St Pancras, and we're now going to get the Piccadilly line into the centre of London. Oh, look at that. Perfect, well, I say perfect timing. I was like, whoa, quick. It's been a while since I've seen a Eurostar coming into the station like that. Nice. That was good. Here we go again. Okay, Piccadilly line. There you go, Dovetail. That's a dirty underground train. Thank you. making our way upstairs. So yeah, we didn't wait for the train because I've got work. So yeah, we need to start making our way over to our work for today, near Piccadilly Circus. So yeah, not waiting for that train. Piccadilly Circus. Look at that. I know I'm not that old, but I remember it being separate screens and just lights and things like that. But look at it. It's all one big screen now. And look, they're building behind it. So they're removing everything from behind and creating something new. But yeah, let's head towards where we need to go. And yeah, I believe it's this way. But oh, looking good. Nice sign. Not sponsored by anyone. Oh, there's the Hard Rock Cafe there. And the Rock Shop. Does anyone remember going to the London Trocadero? You had the Pepsi Max, you know, drop thing. You had the Rock Circus. It was like Madame Tussauds, but all music. It was so big in there. But look, all we got now is this massive shop to begin with, and it only goes so far. So what's the rest of the Trocadero doing? Yeah, there was a whole big like Madame Tussauds waxwork, all about music and all sorts. It was great. But yeah, we're almost there. Yeah, here we are at Leicester Square. I'm working down there in Wardour Street today, so that'll be fun. You've got the M&M store, Lego store there. The Swiss clock, because this used to be the Swiss building. So this used to be on the corner of this when it was the old building. And all the people will come out and things. But yeah, this is what it's ended up being. Just a post with some clock and bells on top. But it still sounds good. If I remember, we might do it later. But yeah, there's Odeon Lux Leicester Square. So that's where all the film premieres are held. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos from La Mega Sim. Social media links are in the description below. Yeah, we'll see you on the next video. I'm heading to Chinatown. See you soon, guys. Bye.